Here it is, my new project car. It's a 1997 240sx. That's the KOUKI front end. And that's how they come. It's not a conversion. I'm here at the car wash, about to wash it. This car hasn't been washed in probably 6 years. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun little project car. First thing I'm gonna do is wash it and then clean the interior. Super filthy. It has 141,000 miles. Has Recaro seats. It's just filthy. Look at that. It's just the back seats are still good condition. Just need to clean it and remove the tint. I'm gonna remove all the tint. And the door panel's missing, but I have that at home. I was just trying to fix the window because it's not going down. I need to fix the tail light. You can't see it, but they stay on all the time. For sure, I'm gonna change out the stereo. I don't think that one even works. What else? The HID light on that side doesn't work. I have the grill that's in the garage. Alright, let's do one last walk around before I detail it. My goal with this car is to bring it back to stock as much as I can. One more time for the interior. Gotta get this fixed. Starting to rip on that side. These are old school Recaro seats. And it's pretty dirty in here. Filthy. Can't wait to clean all this up. Probably get a new shift boot. Alright, just got done washing it. Looks a little better. Paint still looks like shit. I still need to remove all this adhesive stuff right there. Right there. I need to remove this paint off the side marker here. It was painted black. See, on this side it's coming off. No, it's still... More adhesive right there. All this stuff right here. Alright, where do we begin? Let's start over here. Alright, this is all the trash I got out. Found these covers for the side mirrors over there. Goes inside. Goes right there. Found a bunch of change too. Old Taco Bell sauce. Looks like the rubber for the exhaust. Alright. Time to start spraying everything down.